Jai Gurudev, Tan Gurudev, Jai Bhim, Namaskar. My name is Ranjit Kumar Kandhapani. Today I am here at State Odisha, District Raigada, Block Bisamkatak, Village Degalbuduri. Sir, first of all, I would like to thanks our Begumpura Aid International Team France President Ram Singh Mangada sir and those who have directly or indirectly connected Begumpura. I would like to thanks each and every one of you. Sir, as you see, sir, today I am here at State Odisha village Degalbuluni. The lots of mothers are behind me. Sir, they have a one problem, sir, that is water, sir. You see, sir, where we are staying, if there we will not get sufficient water, we will not get the pure water, our life should be difficult, sir. So accordingly, the peoples are staying from last 60 to 70 years, but they are not getting proper water facility. Which water they have drinking, that water is completely like yellow color water is coming from there, the table, which is government provided. From 60 to 70 years, from that water only the people are taking from the drinking purpose, cooking purpose, everything they are doing that only, sir. So I would like to request our president Ram Singh Mangada sir and those who are connected from Begumpura Aid International France, then Germany, then India. I would like to request each and every one of you, because of your hard work, because of your dedication, and because of your kindness, people are getting such a true pure water, sir. I am very much happy that Begumpura is one of the great organization which is always supporting and helping the peoples and always behind the people. That is the greatest thing in our society, sir. I am very much happy and proudly I am saying that Begumpura doing a great work, sir. So accordingly, sir, here is the village member, sir. He is the village member of Degal Buduni and he is the Gram Mukhia of Degal Buduni. He came to 10 to 15 times from last year, but due to some personal work, I was not visited this village. But today I got the opportunity to visit this village, and here is the sister also is standing with me. She want to say something about the village and their problem, and even the member also want to say something about the problem, sir. You kindly listen to them. कौन दीदी?
मो नाम होची संजना हिकका ग्राम नाम होची डेगाल पुडणी आम गाँ रे पानी असुविधा होची आज्ञा सरकार थ्रोपुरु गोटे बोरिंग आसीथिला सेटा मध्ये खराब हे गला आपनक दयारु हमको गोटे बोर दियंतु आज्ञा पानी रो असुविधा होची.
So, sir, the Didi was saying that from 60 to 70 years she was staying here, but everybody's complaint is that, sir, they have not a good condition water, sir. The water is very much dirty. After drinking the water, many people, sir, they have admitted in medical and their health condition is completely not in good condition, sir. So that only she is saying, and she is requesting to Begumpura Aid International Team and kindly provide a borewell facility which is we will drink and we will stay happy in our life. So according to sir, he is the village member, sir. He will also say something because they are staying here. They know the problems of their every day. They are fighting for the water. So we listen to them, and I am very much sad after hearing the situation, sir. They are very much in bad condition, sir. Sir, you kindly listen to him. That the member is going to say something. Kindly hear, sir.
Sir, ମୁଁ ଅଛି ଦେଗଲପୁର ଗ୍ରାମର ବାସିନ୍ଦା ଆଉ ୱାର୍ଡ ମେମ୍ବର ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆମ ଗାଁରେ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ଆମେ 70 ବର୍ଷ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ବାସ କରୁଛୁ 70 ବର୍ଷ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ହେବ ସେତେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମକୁ ବୋରୱେଲ ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟୁବୱେଲ ମାତ୍ର ଚଳୁଛୁ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଆମର ଜନସଂଖ୍ୟା ହେଉଛି କିଛି ନହେଲେ 500 ଖଣ୍ଡେ ହେବ ସେତିକି ଜନସଂଖ୍ୟାରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟୁବୱେଲରୁ ଆମର ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଉଛି ପାଣିର ଅସୁବିଧା ତେଣୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛୁ ଆମେ ସେ ପାଣିର ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବୋରୱେଲ ପାଇବୁ ଆମ ଗାଁର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଉପକୃତ ହେବ ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛୁ ଯେ ବେଗମ ନା କ'ଣ ବେଗମ ଥ୍ରୋରୁ ଯଦି କିଛି ବୋରୱେଲ ଦେବେ ବୋଲେ ଆମକୁ ଆମ ଗାଁର ଲୋକ ଖୁସିରେ ରହିବେ.
So sir, I would like to inform you that the member is saying that they are staying 60 to 70 years here, 60 to 70 years, but there is a problem. They have a problem, sir. From 60 to 70 years they are staying here, but they have one problem, sir. Government has provided one borewell facility, that also not in good condition. Even here the people, total people strength is more than 500 plus, sir. They have drinking from the borewell, sorry, the tea well, which is only one, sir. They are fighting each other, they are shouting, even these things are going, sir. So I would like to request our Begumpura Aid International Team France President Ram Singh Mangda, sir, and President of India and President of Germany. So, sir, kindly look this video and kindly understand the pain of the people, which is they are always struggling their life. Even one, I have observed here one more thing, sir. The people, sir, they are not getting good cloth also, sir. You see, sir, they don't have good cloth also. They don't have sandal also. They now here very much cold, sir. They don't have proper sweat, what to say, sweater also. They know they don't have blanket. Such things are not there. There are very much, they are not sleeping in the night also. It's very much sad, sir. After hearing the, see, sir, people's ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖାଅ ଏଇ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ like see, sir, children, sir, many children, more than 100 plus children are here, sir. I have seen here, they're completely, the students are here, sir. The children are moving here and there. Yes, yaar dekhai diyo aatre. The children are moving here there, sir. It's very sad thing, sir. If they are not getting proper food, they are not in good condition house also. Government provided 1 2 3 4 5 houses only, which is, you see, sir, video, sir, is there na. This condition here, sir, I am very much sad. If we will provide such things na, at least their parents will feel happy and the children will good, they will get a good education system. So like that, sir, similarly, so many things, sir, it is very difficult to explain all these things. So first of all, I would like to thanks our West Begumpura, which is from last year we are cooperating the people, we are helping the people. We have already given many villages borewell facility. From this is the my today I am here that Degal Buduni, if will provide one borewell, at least one borewell will provide, means they will feel happy, sir. So thank you very much, sir. Those who are watching this video, kindly share, kindly support to our YouTube channel, our Facebook channel, our Instagram channel, and give your comment where you are needed. Truly, if you are needed, then comment your name, your village name, block name, district name. Then accordingly, our team will be there. They will arrive there. So thank you, sir. Jai Bhim, sir. Namaskar, sir. Save कर दिया.